I'm your host Sunny Bhatia from Tally Online. Today we are going to discuss about an important add-on in Tally, that is Tally Auto Backup Cloud. Now how it is different from other backup is that this takes the backup on your Google Drive. तो ये आपका डाटा Google Drive में कॉपी कर देता है ऑटोमेटिकली। रैंसमवेयर के कारण, एंटी वायरस अटैक्स के कारण, या आपका अकाउंटेंट डाटा लेके चला गया जिसके कारण आपको बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू हैड टू एंटर द डाटा अगेन, you have faced lot of trouble regarding the data backup. So this is a solution which automates your backup and takes your backup to the cloud rather to the Google Drive. And with most of the people having a Gmail account, this is very easy to copy the data on your Google Drive. Your Google Drive automatically has a space of 15 GB, which is enough to handle the Tally backup. So let us see how this happens, and let us see how this add-on works. First, it works on Tally Prime also, so I'm going to configure it with the add-on features. Enable auto backup is that it will enable the backup. Ask for backup means when company is backing up, it will ask whether you want to take backup or not. Now, at what event do you want to take the backup? You want to take the backup on company closing, company opening, schedule it out for a particular time. So I take it as company closing. Now, what is the hardest path? Your hardest local path where it takes. When do you want to take the backup, which is every time or once a day? And this is done. My backup is configured. So I'll just have a look at it again. On add-on features, I have when company is closing, and every time it will take the backup. So this is the configuration I have done. So let me shut down the company. Yes. And the moment it is shut down, it is checking the backup and copying the data to the Google Drive. And now if I see, data is here now. So my data has been backed up. To test this again, I'll again open this company. And when I shut down this company, it is again taking the backup. Now it asked to overwrite only because it was a millisecond difference. So otherwise, you see there are two folders now. One is at 21.22, one is at 21. So you have recurring backups available with you on Google Drive. It is very beneficial. You can buy it on Tally Online. Thank you very much.